Hello everyone, my name is Olga Van Light and today we're actually unboxing Aiper Pro, which is a robotic pool cleaner. How cool is that? So yes guys, the first thing I see is actually a topper, and here are the tips for using your Aiper pool cleaner. And yes guys, so again there is actually step-by-step start guide. And here is this beautiful insert. Then there is an envelope, and I believe there should be all of them instructions already included. Super excited about it. And right here is the retrieval hook as well as the charger. And yes guys, everything is nicely and securely packaged, as you can see. And I feel like it's definitely going to be one of them favorite things in our household. Super excited about it. And yes, so here is the retrieval hook, and you can actually connect it to a larger rod that you used to when cleaning your pool before. And let's look at the robot itself. Here is the beautiful one. So let me actually take the plastic off it, and wow, it is definitely a state-of-art machinery, as you can see. And yes, the wheels are very sturdy. And yes, I'm a petite woman, I do work out, but I feel like I can definitely handle it by myself, which is very nice. And yes, let me move the box a little bit out of the way. I really like the handle right here in front. And yes guys, I feel like it's definitely makes a difference. And here is your scrubbing parts, and again the wheels are quite powerful. Make sure to fully charge it before using it. And the charger is actually right here, it is protected. And yes guys, this is how you actually would empty your cleaner. There is this conveniently located net, and everything is super sturdy. I feel like it's definitely a great addition for anyone who has a pool. And yes, this is your on-off switch, and it looks like it's already kind of charged. As you can see, it's right now in blue. This is how you actually change the settings. And yes, it actually gives you the beep, and again this is how you turn it off. When you are going to plug it in, it's actually going to blink. It means it's charging, and then it's actually going to become blue. So yes, super excited. And yes guys, cannot wait to actually fully charge it and start using it. And again, here you can see the logo as well. I feel like it also is a great gift idea for anyone who has a pool, because it actually comes with them 4 motor technology, which is great.